Hello, my name is Jones and I farm on a family farm in Aberbranddu, Cadno, and we're one of the current network of demonstration farms. We run about 1100 ewes and followers and about 60 suckler cows. The ewes are mostly Tregaron type Welsh and continental cross suckler cows. We joined the demonstration network to try and improve efficiency and try and make strides forward so we can be more efficient.
Hi, I'm James Daniel, Director of Precision Grazing. I've been working with Jones and Fferm Connect on a rotational grazing project with ewes and lambs. We split a block of 29 acres into 9 paddocks, 2 different treatments. We've got 6 1 hectare paddocks and then a further 3 1.9 hectare paddocks. And we've got 163 ewes, twin bearing ewes and their lambs grazing the 29 acre area. It gives us a stocking density of just over 5.5 ewes to the acre, and what we've seen on the block, despite the altitude, we've seen a really great growth through the grazing season to date. So ewes were lambed in the fields. We then divided them in late April, and then I drew together the mob of ewes and lambs. And the lambs were kind of 3 to 4 weeks old, and put them into the system and started the rotations. A little bit of infrastructure's gone in there. We've got an energizer just in one place, feeding a hot wire, and into that hot wire we tap into with our polywire fences and a semi-permanent fence, which gives us our subdivision. There's a water lateral down from the centre of the block as well, with a trough that gets moved. So yeah, a little bit of infrastructure, a little bit of investment, but that 5.5 ewe stocking rate kind of hasn't been enough through the spring. We've been able to take the 1.9 hectares out, about 5 acres, out and make it for silage. Iwo's been doing a great job at maintaining the pasture quality, both with how frequently we're moving the stock. We've got surplus grass, they're moving quicker, and also by doing a little bit of post mowing, as we've lost a bit of quality with this as the grass has gone to seed there in the late spring. So a little bit of effort, but a great stocking rate. Really interested to see the weights of the lambs at weaning, and the amount of grass that block's growing with the grazing strategy, and the stocking rate is held, bodes really well for the expansion of the sheep enterprise at Iwo's block, particularly when that can be achieved by stopping the rental of some outlying parcels of ground, and focusing investment on the land that's owned by the farm, because not only it's increasing the value of the land as it's improving the pasture quality through better grazing, it's also reducing the labour cost by the fact that the ground is close to the yards